We're doing this workshop to provide an entry-level course for web development, and what we're trying to do with this workshop is get you ready for our more immersive program that we're going to have later on in the year. And these intro courses are geared towards those that are interested in learning web development, as well as those who might want to kind of brush up on some of the basic foundations of web development. So then you're an in-class structure would give you that instructor where you get that hands-on type of help with what you're going through, whereas if you do this online, you are kind of looking around for answers that are available right away. So you might be going on to Google or things like that, whereas when you're in front of a classroom, you have access to the teacher and their knowledge. So the benefits of coding in today's age is everything's online, and everything is an application, a mobile app or a web app, and all these things are just, all around us. So in order for, people to get jobs in these, you got to learn how to code and understand what's happening in these systems. So being able to really jump into this field right now, you're going to be able to get those jobs that do these kind of things.